I just got this Westley stove fan from Amazon, so that way I don't have to run my electric fan while we're using our stove. So let's go ahead and unbox it, and I'll kind of show you what I got. It did come a little bit banged up, so hopefully all the fans and stuff is still good inside. So this is a thermometer. You just set it on the stove, and it kind of gives you the temperature. Kind of gives you the optimal settings for this blower. So we just got a regular DC motor here. And then we've got the exchanger down here. So let's see how it works. The stove is warm, but it's definitely not hot. So let's see if it even starts up. Alright, so let's go get the fire going and we'll see how it goes. I'll also set this right here so we have the measurement of the area. Alright, so we got the fire going, and we'll see when this fan actually turns on. I mean, it's barely warm. I'm actually warming up my fingers, just keeping it there. Oh, there we go. So I guess around 105 it'll start spinning. You can actually feel it, even though it's barely spinning. You can actually feel it, I mean, if you're really close to it. Just a slight cold breeze. Alright, we got the fan spinning now. You can feel it about 6 inches away, maybe. And we're almost at 200 degrees. It's nice because as the heat radiates on the front here, it's actually pulling the cold air back here, and it's just kind of blowing it out into the room. Let's go ahead and measure the water. The water is at almost 80. There we go. The water's at 80, so it's still warming up. Top here's at 250, 60. So the fan is, I think, in full speed now. You can hear just a very slightly hum. It's got the thermometer that shows that it's in the best operating temperature. I can feel it about a foot away, it blowing, so it's definitely pushing the air out. And we'll go ahead and check the water temperature. So 110. The top here is 387. The back there is 450-ish. Side here is 450. So I'm standing about 3 feet away and I can actually feel it blowing in my eyes. So it's definitely doing a good job. I definitely recommend it. I'm about 4 feet away now. 3.5, maybe 4 feet or so. I could just barely feel it, but when I was right here, I could feel it right in my eyes. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and hope you found this review useful.